Keeping your apps updated is important because update can improve performance, fix bug and add new security feature. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can update all supported apps at once using WinGet, which is Microsoft built-in package manager. First, open Windows Terminal, Command Prompt or PowerShell as an administrator. Then type the following command and press enter. WinGet will scan your computer and check for available update. If updates are found, it will automatically download and install the latest version of your installed application. Depending on the number of updates, this process may take few minutes. After the update process is complete, it's a good idea to restart your computer if any application or system component require it. Regularly updating your software helps keeping your PC secure, stable and running smoothly. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.